Ranking factors are crucial elements that search engines use to determine the relevance and authority of a web page. These include keywords, backlinks, and user experience metrics. Understanding these basics is essential for optimizing content and improving visibility in search engine results. Ranking factors are crucial in determining a website's position in search engine results. This chapter will explore the key elements that influence search rankings, helping you understand how to optimize your site effectively. Ranking factors are criteria used by search engines like Google to determine your website's position in search results. They act as a scoring system, with over 200 factors considered. Key factors, however, hold more weight, guiding efforts to enhance site performance by focusing on relevance, quality, and trustworthiness for better visibility. Higher search rankings boost visibility, driving more traffic and potential customers to your site. Organic search is often the main traffic source, sometimes over 50%, highlighting search engine optimization's importance for growth. Effective search engine optimization also enhances user experience, ensuring visitors quickly find relevant, helpful content. The top 3 ranking factors are content quality, backlinks, and user experience. Content quality is paramount, as search engines prioritize useful, relevant, and original content. Backlinks from authoritative sites enhance credibility. User experience, including site speed and mobile friendliness, ensures visitors engage effectively. These elements collectively boost search rankings and drive organic traffic. Google's algorithms now prioritize genuinely useful, relevant, and original content. It's crucial to align content with user intent, answering real questions with unique value. The Hummingbird update enhanced understanding of natural language, emphasizing content quality. Focus on comprehensive, well-researched content over multiple thin pages for better search engine rewards. Backlinks serve as digital endorsements, signaling content quality and trustworthiness to search engines. Top-ranking pages often boast 3.8 times more backlinks than lower-ranked ones. However, quality trumps quantity. A single link from a reputable site can outweigh numerous low-quality links, emphasizing the importance of authoritative connections. RankBrain, Google's artificial intelligence algorithm, enhances search by understanding query context and meaning, not just keywords. It analyzes user interaction patterns to deliver relevant results, even for complex queries. Prioritizing user intent and satisfaction, RankBrain rewards pages that effectively answer questions and solve problems, regardless of exact keyword matches. Beyond RankBrain, other crucial ranking factors include backlinks, which signal authority and trustworthiness, and content quality, ensuring relevance and engagement. User experience, including page speed and mobile friendliness, also plays a significant role. These elements collectively enhance a site's visibility and effectiveness in search results, aligning with Google's focus on delivering valuable, user-centric content. Technical SEO is crucial for search engine visibility. Ensure crawlability and indexing for discoverability. Mobile-friendly design is essential due to mobile-first indexing. HTTPS security boosts trust and rankings. Site speed impacts user experience and rankings, with core web vitals being key. These elements form the backbone of effective SEO strategies. Intuitive navigation with clear site structure enhances user experience by helping visitors find information quickly. Engaging design, featuring readable fonts and strategic imagery, encourages longer visits. Performance metrics like bounce rate and time on page are crucial. Poor user experience results in quick exits, indicating low-quality content to search engines. Keyword optimization is crucial for SEO success. Integrate relevant keywords naturally in title tags, headings, URLs, and body content. Craft meta descriptions that are compelling and keyword-rich. Avoid keyword stuffing, as it harms readability and can lead to penalties. Prioritize natural language to serve readers effectively while enhancing search engine visibility. Explore how ranking factors synergize to enhance website performance. High-quality content addresses audience needs with depth and originality. Quality backlinks from reputable sources boost authority. A technically optimized site ensures fast loading and mobile responsiveness. Continuous monitoring and refinement of strategies based on user engagement metrics drive sustained search engine optimization success. To improve a website's ranking, start by researching audience needs to create high-quality, insightful content. Promote this content through outreach to earn quality backlinks. Ensure your site is technically sound with mobile responsiveness and fast loading times. Continuously monitor user engagement metrics and refine your strategy for sustained search engine optimization success. Begin your SEO journey by mastering the fundamentals: exceptional content, high-quality backlinks, and solid technical SEO. Embrace continuous improvement by testing new strategies and refining based on analytics. Always remember, the ultimate goal is to help real people find valuable content. Start with a content audit and technical SEO check to identify improvement opportunities.